One of the trends we've really seen, and in fact Nalpeiron pioneered, was the move towards cloud-based software licensing. And of course, for our environment, we focus on a multi-tenant cluster as our primary go-to-market, although we're now also offering a single-tenant edition as well that you can leverage. In that multi-tenant environment, and even in the single-tenant environment, we've built scalability into every aspect of the architecture. So what does that mean? It means at the core, our core architecture is all built around Docker containers managed through Kubernetes. That will auto-scale, so as demand increases, we'll spin up additional instances of the appropriate Docker workers in order to address the appropriate aspect of that workload. And with everything being managed through Kubernetes, you get this sort of ongoing seamless experience. Similarly, we have an auto-scaling database, so both in terms of performance as well as storage. So as additional capacity is required, it will automatically scale to address that, as well as spin up whatever workers are required in order to address the database queries. Similarly, on the API handlers, those are also all based around Docker containers that will scale up and scale down as required. So that means that you'll have low latency access to all of those APIs and give you some really good performance regardless of the amount of traffic that we're experiencing on that multi-tenant cluster at a current point in time. Similarly, since our user interface for the dashboard and the end user portal, everything else, is also built around those same set of APIs, again, as load scales up and you go from perhaps tens of customers to hundreds of customers to thousands of customers to tens of millions of customers, you'll know that every part of that Zentitle stack will scale through this turbo scale approach.